In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the League of Legends cannot join a party error. Now the way that you can fix this is usually when you try and join someone's party and it says an error message or just won't let you do it. The way that you can fix it easily is you want to open up your task manager, go to details up here, click on name to sort by the name, and from in here you want to first press L, look for any League of Legends related stuff, find the league client.exe, end the task like this. You want to press R and look for write client, end task on this one, and after you've done that and make sure it's closed down, you simply want to reopen League of Legends. Now, when you reopen League of Legends and log into your account, it should work fine, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, it's really simple and it's an easy solution, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.